This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Just wanted to let you guys know that sometimes you'll have international pirates steal your YouTube videos and they put them on their site, and that allows them to put ads on, and they're stealing your content in order to make money off of your work. So one way you can get in the way of that is you can go to your YouTube page, and under the video manager right here you can press videos, and then up here at the actions button press this one off to the side of the actions button. It'll turn black, and then you can come over to the one that says select all your videos if you want to, or just the ones you think may be having trouble. I'm going to select all my videos. Then you can come over to this window and it says, what do you want to do with these videos? I want to go to this one called embedding right here. And if you press the question mark, like, well, what is embedding? It kind of tells you a quick summary. So we get that one. So it says, allows others to embed your video in their sites. So usually that's not good. See if you press learn more, gives you a little bit more information on that. But essentially that's what they're doing. They're embedding in your site. So if you don't want that to happen, you don't want them to steal your work, you can get to this part where it says embedding. Often it says enable. Let's use disable. It's disable, and then we're going to come over to submit. Then it's going to give you a little box that says, sure you want to do that? You go, yes I do. Then you press submit, and it'll say pending edit. There's a lot of videos actually on this channel, so it may take a while, but when it's all done, you just want to press the save button. I believe that's at the bottom here. Let's see. Maybe that's all you have to do. I don't know if you have to press the save button. But once that's done, then they won't be able to steal your videos anymore. Another good trick is to put a little watermark symbol on each one of your videos, which is pretty easy to do too. So hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.